friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm 𝐂𝐈𝐑. If you're new here, hey, hello, welcome, stay a while, and don't forget to hit that follow button if you haven't done so already. Let's give the warmest welcome to today's hair sponsor, WowAfrican. This wig is absolutely top tier. I think this is my new favorite wig. It comes in a 24-inch 9x6 lace HD. You can wear her 100% glueless, 250% density. Can you believe that? Thing I love about it the most is it has a dark root with the blonde and the caramel color tones. Oh my goodness, you guys. It's the most beautiful wig I've ever laid my eyes on. Stick around for the install because it's super easy. You don't need any glue, you don't need any hairspray, you don't need any lace tint, and you actually don't need anything at all. The thing I love about this wig is that it comes 100% glueless, ready to wear, pre-plucked, and it's 250% density. The highlights, don't even mention that because it's just top tier. I didn't put anything on the lace. I'm showing you guys. Nothing is manipulated. I love being able to show you guys what the wig looks like 100% out of the box. I didn't do nothing. I'm just putting it on. I'm not gonna even use any glue tapes, no glue, no spray, no nothing, okay? And it's gripping, girl. It's not going anywhere. 2 combs on the side. I'm gonna stick those in place. Alrighty, that's perfect. My little drawstring, and that's literally it. And we tuck that inside. I'm already obsessed and we haven't even really done anything. Can you tell me where the lace is? I'll wait. You can't because you can't see it. Just that. It's perfect. It goes from almost ear to ear. Only area you don't have lace is right here. To secure that part on a frontal is actually very annoying. So if you have the opportunity and the chance to get a wig like this, I would highly recommend. So this is what she's giving fresh out the box. Not bad. Could we make her better? Before I start curling, I'm going to section off the hair, curl the bottom half, and then curl the top half. I'm pretty sure I can take pretty big sections, so let's see. So beautiful already. Okay, so I recurled her. No way. Are you freaking kidding me, girl? 100% glueless all the way. Right, when you don't use hairspray, you might have to touch up a few spots, and that's okay. Be prepared to do that. Yeah, this is hands down one of the prettiest wigs I have ever laid my eyes on. OMG. Okay. Ooh! Let it go. The longer you hold it in place, the better it's gonna hold that shape. So hold it in place for a little while and then let it go. Like, oh my goodness. When you run your hands through it, you don't feel a single track. Some of those wigs look beautiful, but you can feel a track or two. And this, you cannot. Oh, gorge. Look at her. Look how full she is. This wig is absolutely top tier. the best, and I think this is my new favorite wig, and for good reason. It's absolutely beautiful, girls. It is so soft. The thing I love about it the most is it has a dark root with the blonde and the caramel color tones. Oh my goodness, you guys. It's the most beautiful wig I've ever laid my eyes on. So you're probably wondering what my final thoughts are. This is definitely a wig that one of those celebrity girls would wear. It's thick, it's full, it's soft, it's just gorgeous. You have that big parting space that you can see. You can part it pretty much anywhere, and look at that. It just looks so realistic. Say you don't want to wear it in the middle part, you can do a side part. You can do a half up parting space for days. And the HD lace is just top tier. This is hands down one of my new favorite wigs. I can't wait for you to try it at home because you're gonna feel the exact way. It's so pretty from every angle. It's just gorgeous. Like, if you're thinking about it and you're like, ooh, you know, she's a little pricey, girl, she is worth every coin and then some. This one I'm gonna have for years to come, so I love a good wig that you can invest in that's gonna hold you down through whatever. Now I gotta go, guys. I'll catch you later in another review sometime soon. Bye, y'all.